Let us do this particular question. Saka panapa we have log 81 base 9 times 2 log 8 base 4. So chatinofanira kutanga kuziva, one of the laws of logarithms which we are going to apply, the inoti log a base a is equal to 1. So if the number here is the same as the base, we are going to get an answer of 1. So let us apply that. Saka tiri panapa tichati log, instead of kunyora kuti 81 tichanyora iri 9 squared base 9 totati times panapa tongonyora sezvairi 2 log 8 base 4. Then tadai, so we also have to know this law. Not if we have log a to the power n base b, n can be transferred to this side. Correct, this will be equal to n log a base b. Sando zvatoda kuita panapa tichatransfer 2 kuside uku yobva yava 2 log 9 base 9 times 2 log 8 base 4, like this. We also have another law of logarithm yatoda kuapply, which is this one. Saka tatatoenyora kudhara. Saka this part yakati log 9 base 9 zvoreva kuti ndi 1. Saka panapa it's 2 times 1 times 2 log 8 base 4. Saka we have many ways of going about this, but let us do it like this. Saka zvandoda kuita panapa ndiri kuda kuseparata 2 unoyu na log 8 base 4. Saka ndoda kudhila na log 8 base 4 ari pake ega, kumusimplify until ndawana a number ndozongoimultiply na 2. Saka 2 times 1 kunoku achava 2 toti times 2, like this. Then what I want to do panapa, I want to convert 8 uyu, ndoda kuita re-express 8 ndomunyora ari as 2 to the power something. Saka this becomes log of 2 to the power 3 base 4. Because 2 times 2 ndi 4, 4 times 2 ndi 8. Saka 8 tinogona kumunyora ari 2 to the power 3. Then kana tadai teta kuti 2 times 2 toshandisa this law kureva kuti 3 anenge kuenda kuside uku. Saka inenge yachi 3 log 2 base 4, like this. I hope you are following. Then zvadaro takuti 2 times 2 panapa tichiri takaisa mubox andi tovatati 3 log of, instead of kunyora 2 unoyu ndoda kumunyora ari 4 to the power 1/2 base 4. And the reason why nchida kumunyora ari 4 to the power 1/2, tinoziva kuti the square root of 4 iri equal to 2. But imwe nzira yekunyora kuti square root of 4 tinoti 4 to the power 1/2, which is also going to be equal to 2. Saka ta replace 2 uyu na 4 to the power 1/2, because toda kumechanisa manamba aya kuti ta apply this law of logarithms. And it saka tika apply that law of logarithms, half i che transfer yoya kuside kunoku. Saka kunoku tina 2 times 2, then tichiri nama boxed brackets edu, so ratapo yava 3 times half log 4 base 4. But log 4 base 4 ichibva pakuti pa this law of logarithms log a base a is equal to 1, kureva kuti this part na log 4 base 4 inenge iri equal to 1. Saka tiri kuti 2 times 2, 3 times 1/2 times 1. So this is 2 times 2, then 3 times 1/2 ndi 3/2 times 1 inogoramba yakadaro. like this. Then tasvika panapa, of course we can cancel out panapa kuda kuti tichasara tina 2 times 3 and our answer is 6. You can put this into your calculator, you are going to get 6. So this is what we do. If you have any part yamusana kunzwisisa, you can always ask. But when it comes to this part panapa, we could also elect another way of going about it. Kutangira pa this point actually, we could elect another way of going about it. Taita say, taiti 2 times 1 and 20 times 2. Yakadai so, tovatati log of, instead of kunyora 8, tomunyora 4 times 2 base 4. Like that. Answer you know Buddha. 2 times 1 did 2, tovatati times 2, and then konoku. Remember, log 4 times 2 base 4, tinogona irreverse away this particular law. Tine law of logarithms, not log of a base b plus c base b is equal to log of a times c base b. Saka iyi tinogona kuexpanda. Tikaexpanda inobuda sei? Tikaexpanda inenge yakuti log 4 base 4 plus log 2 base 4. And it. So let me remove this part. Patanga tichisa malaws edu. Then tadaro, let us multiply zviri kunze kunoku. Tina 4. Log 4 base 4 ndeani ndi 1 because number iyi yafanana ne base plus log 2 base 4. Saka panapa tengeta kuti 4 multiplying 1 plus pano takuti log, instead of 2 takuisa 4 to the half, like that, base 4. Let us clear this part. Saka panapa inenge yava 4 1 plus half icha transfer yacho yauko, saka half log 4 base 4. Saka takuti 4 1 plus 1 half, e party ndi 1. What is 1 plus 1 half? What is 1 plus 1 half? Tinogona kuuya panapa todai so tongoti 2 times 1, that's 2 plus over 1, 1 times 1, that's 1 over 1 times 2 ndi 2. Or anyway I'm not sure ku add my fractions. 1 plus 1 half ndi 1 and a half, which is 3 over 2. Sakapa it's 4 multiplying 3 over 2. 2 acha cancel into 4 to sarana 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. That is how it's done. I hope you understand. Agana musina, you can always ask.